time, it's running past.
Good morning. Today is Sunday, April 26, 2026. I'm now here in Central Hong Kong. I'm going to somewhere today because I have nothing to do. It's a crowded MTR station here in Hong Kong. Which is ginagawa din nilang tambayan dito ang MTR. So I'm gonna tap going outside. Okay. It's 15.3. Going up to the worldwide. Dito kasi sa sobrang dami-dami ng mga kababayan natin nagtatrabaho dito sa Hong Kong. At saka Sunday yung pinakamaraming lumalabas. Nandito sila lahat. Nandito sila lahat. Magtatambay. Ayan. Kung mahagip kayo ng camera ko, magagalit na naman kayo sa akin. So, there are too many here. You see the stairs? No one sit in the stairs anymore. I think I go from this side. It's too much mainit. Dan ako dito sa nagpapacking.
Ito po kasi lahat dito,
Sorry
instant
po.
packing lang po.
Oh no. What you gonna get from Snoop? Excuse. There's so many.
Nakasulikip na lang.
Ito kasi yung kaugalian nila. Saan ako dadaan? Excuse po ate. Bakit dito ako dumaan? Ang daming nagpapacking dito. So this is the usual things that mostly OFW do every Sunday.
You make finger na? Gola. Don't time waste. You know buy Gola. No rush here. Yeah, no, don't rush.
Too much crowded here.
Andi na din. Hi! Uy, saan ka punta mo?
I'm vlogging. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Tulungan ko itong kaibigan ko mag-vlog kami.
Bye-bye. So nakita ko yung classmate ko sa nursing sa Naka. May nagtitinda dito ng mais.
Malagyan, mais! Malagyan, mais!
Pag maano ka ng pulis mamaya, lagit ka. Lagkit ng kapal mo. This is the IFC Mall. The very tallest shopping mall here in Hong Kong. Aside from the ICC, the International Commerce Center, which is located in Kowloon, Hong Kong. So may kumakain dito. So I'm gonna go up to that.